Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your ChatGPT app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here. So you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So when you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on your name here down. You just click on it here. So then you come to next zip here, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here. So then you come here to background conversations here. So then you click here in this sign here. Like you see this color show for us here. So that's me background conversations enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.